Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Spring 5-pan palettes. You guys are thinking, didn't they just release quads like last week? Yes. I feel like, yeah, it's kind of like a lot. Like it was like the quads and now it's like the 5-pans. Do you remember that when they first released the 5-pans like this, I saw a lot of people asking for like more colorful ones, so they did deliver. I do remember seeing a lot of comments like that. So I have all 5 of them right here. These are launching on Thursday, April 22nd at 10 a.m. PST. They're also launching alongside the new Colourpop Brow Waxes. If you guys didn't see my video, I did do an entire review and demo using the new brow waxes, so those are also launching on Thursday as well. I'll put that in the little eye thingy up here and I'll also link that down below for you guys. As always, you guys can use my code, it's just KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. Let's jump into it. This is going to be probably a really quick little video. Quick, I don't do anything quick. Is doing all my Colourpop videos. I will include like close-ups of the palettes, I will include swatches, and this video is going to be kind of similar to my last video with the quads, where we'll put like the tutorial part kind of over where I'm giving you guys my review on them, just so it's a little bit faster, more straight to the point. Also easier for me to film like this right now, also just because I've just been filming super early lately. So yeah, but anyways, let's get into the palettes. The little card that it came with says, oh, she's extra. It says, mark your social calendar, our newest collection is coming in hot, or Haute, whatever. So the first one that we have is to Haute, and I just want to show you guys the like packaging real quick, like the unit cartons. They're all really cute. They're like this, I don't know, it reminds me of like the designs and stuff that you would see at like a tea kind of thing. They're all really cute, but these are the unit cartons if you guys wanted to see that. First palette that we have is to Haute, and this one says it's everything pink from soft to neon, bubblegum in mattes and metallics. They are in that same packaging as the ones that came out during the Valentine's Day collection. This one does look kind of similar. I can't find it right now and I'm running late, but I'll put a comparison with this one and the one from Valentine's Day next to each other just so you guys can see. There are no pressed glitters in these palettes, by the way. There's just like metallics in here and mattes. So they also have this cute little like spade. Is that a spade? I don't know, like a spade imprint in one of the shadows in each palette, I believe. Yeah, this one's really cute. It's really pink and fun. I definitely would say this one's like a lot more brighter than the one from Valentine's Day, I think. So that one is to Haute. So the next one that we have is Statement Piece, and this is what this one looks like. This one says, make a statement with this must-have coral palette in mattes and metallics. So yeah, just a lot of oranges, corals, peach. There is like a really bright like orange in here as well. And again, no pressed glitters, just some metallics in here. And yeah, so this one is Statement Piece. Next one is Rumor Has It, and this one says it's the ultimate pop of blue, aqua, and periwinkle in a matte sparkle with mattes and metallics. So this is what this one looks like. Lots of blues, some like aquas in here. I am wearing this one alongside one more on my eyes today. So this one is Rumor Has It. It's really pretty. Next we have Cashmere Forever, which is this was like the one that I saw first when I saw pictures, and this is what this one looks like. It says, drop eyes in this lavender, purple, and violet rich palette in mattes and metallics. Super pretty. This one is like, I would say more of like a warmer tone purple palette, whereas I know a lot of like the other Colourpop ones that they have in like more lavender and lilac color stories are like a little bit more on the cooler tone side. So I would say this one's really pretty, like a nice like warmer purple. So yeah, so that one is Cashmere Forever. And last but not least, we have High Society, and this is what this one looks like. This one is really pretty. This one definitely like stood out to me the most besides like the lavender one when I saw pictures. These emerald, lime, and chartreuse shades are extra in matte sparkle, matte, and metallic shades. So this one is High Society. This is also the other one that I have on my eyes alongside Rumor Has It. So these will be $10 each. I know I'm gonna like see a lot of comments about like comparisons to the 9-pans, to the quads, like why do we have so many different palettes? I do think that like I don't think it's like overhaul. I mean, like maybe, but I do think that there's like a palette for everyone. And honestly, I don't mind the colorful like monochromatic ones in a 5-pan like this, because you guys already know that the 9-pans are my favorite palettes from Colourpop, but I also, like, in the 9 pans, I don't use like all 9 shades. I feel like there's like 4 or 5 that I use like constantly in each one. So this one like kind of like, it kind of makes sense to me because I'm like, okay, well, I only use like 5 or like 4 or 5 shades in like the 9 pans sometimes. Sometimes there are like other ones where I do use like all the shades, but for the most part, like I feel like some of the like colorful ones, I do kind of like stick to like the same like 4, 5, 6 shadows in them. So this, like, I'm not too mad at. I think it's good. You have like a range of different types of palettes. You know, honestly, I think like the people that like gravitate more towards quads like won't maybe gravitate towards like the bigger mega palettes, or you know, vice versa. Like the people that like the big mega palettes probably won't like the quads. Maybe the quads are cute, but like you want a little something more, but you don't want like a 9 pan. Like that's where the 5 pans will come in. Or, you know, those don't do it for you. So like the 9 pans are perfect. See where like people are probably like, there's just so many palettes, like a quad, a 5 pan, a 9 pan, a 12 pan, a 16 pan, like there's so many, but I do think that there is like a palette for everyone, you know. So anyways, that's my little take on like the amount of like different types of palettes that we're getting from Colourpop. So before I get into my review, I will kind of talk through like what I did on the eyes real quick. That little clip in right here, I did use High Society and Rumor Has It, the green and blue ones. I put the like matte greens in my crease and outer corner from High Society. I started off with Fan Fave as like my transition shade, and then I took Don't Care, which is like more of that like grassy green shade. I put that one in my crease. I took Scene and I put that in my outer corner just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. And then I did go in to Rumor Has It and I took the like cobalt blue shade in here, which is On Paper. I put that one kind of on my outer corner as well, kind of blending that into the deeper green that I put in there. And then I will talk more about this eyeshadow in the review part, but and then I also use those 2 darker green and blues on my lower lash line later on as well. And then for my lid, I used Confession from the Rumor Has It palette, and I also took the really pretty like shimmery green in High Society. It's called Buggin'. It's like a really pretty like shimmery limey green. That's what I did on the eyes just real quick. I really like how this look turned out. I love blue and green together. Really, really loved the metallics in both palettes. I think the greens performed really well, like the mattes and the shimmers. The blue one, I did have a little bit of issues with O Paper, which was that cobalt blue shade. I found it to be almost a little bit patchy when I was trying to apply it. And it kind of just kept leaving like a spot, like where there was like no pigment there. It was really annoying, and I was really hoping to like this one because if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know that the Blue Moon 9 pan palette is probably like one of my favorite Colourpop eyeshadow palettes ever. It is like probably their best palette they've ever done. It's like the most beautiful blue eyeshadows. They are so pigmented, so vibrant, they blend out so nicely. So I had high hopes for this blue one, but that like one shade, it just was not really working for me, and I noticed it on both eyes because I do have sometimes like issues with my right eye when it comes to like blending. This eye is just a lot more dry, so like sometimes I'll notice it on one eye but not on my left eye, and I'm like, okay, well then maybe it's just like my eyes are super dry. But no, I did notice it on both sides, so that was like the only downside. But I do really like these shimmers in here, which I'm so upset about because like, you know, I love it. I wish they would like put this like in an individual eyeshadow because it's so pretty. It's like the most prettiest aqua like bluish green metallic, super pretty. But that one shade I did notice like patchiness with it, but I didn't try any of the other mattes in it, so I'm not sure. But yeah, that one shade I did notice issues with. But the green one I really liked, and I didn't have any issues with that one at all. I thought they were really pigmented. They blended out nicely. They were super, super pretty. And I love these shades of like chartreuse. It's like right up my alley. So I really like that one. I know I will get a lot of use out of this pink one. You guys already know. The pink and the purple. You guys already know. These are like, duh. Like I'm going to use them. They're definitely right up my alley. So I really like those two as well. And then the last one, which one is this? Statement Piece. This one's okay. I have enough like orange eyeshadow palettes, and I feel like Colourpop has a lot of shades like this one already as well, with those like oranges and like coral peach colors. There's a lot of Colourpop palettes that look like that already. So I would say if you're gonna pick up any, I would pick up the green one for sure. I still do really like the blue one, even though like that one shade is like kind of patchy. So I will leave that up to you. Like, it's up to you, because that one like metallic on there is so nice, and I honestly feel like it's just worth it, that one. But I really like this pink one. I think I might like this one more than the one that came out during Valentine's Day. I just feel like I will use these pinks a little bit more. The other one was like a little bit more like toned down, like softer, whereas this one is a lot more pink, and it looks more like the shades that I usually gravitate towards in like Ooh La La or something, and it's just in a smaller palette. I do really like this Cashmere Forever one. You guys know I love purples and lilac. Yeah, I mean, I guess if you're like kind of on the fence with like, should I just get these, or like what about the 9-pan palettes? This really is like personal preference, like what you think you'll use more. Will you use all of the shades in like the 9-pan palettes? I don't know, like I said, it's just really all personal preference at this point, since there is so much stuff from Colourpop. It's really just like what you think will suit you the best. Anyways, leave me a comment down below. What do you guys think about these palettes? I really like that they did colorful ones, because like I said, I know I was seeing a lot of like comments of people asking for like colorful ones when they first launched these, and they're delivering. They gave us some colorful ones now. I think I even said it in that video, like I really want some like more colorful ones or something. But leave me a comment down below. I want to hear your guys' thoughts on the palettes. Are you guys going to pick any up? Are you guys going to skip out on them? Like I said, these will be launching on Thursday the 22nd at 10 a.m. alongside the new Colourpop Brow Waxes, which like I said, if you haven't seen my video, I will leave that linked down below for you if you guys want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.